this time in the group that they call the aerobatic. And you can see the monster on the cockpit So the girls manoeuvring literally around the top of the wing. A really superb performance by the crews. Again, once again, very rehearsed and practiced activity. There's not for the faint-hearted. And they make it look easy, don't they? But the girls literally use aircraft flying between 100 and 150 miles an hour. Nothing putting your hand outside of the car window during that time. Yes, it's very hard work indeed physically, but they drop back into the cockpit. And look at the agility of the girls there with the other legs literally reaching to the sky.